Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Grant. I'm one of the co-founders of AdStellar AI, and AdStellar AI was born because launching meta ads is really hard, right? I've launched meta ads. I've been running meta ads for over 10 years. First, I ran an ad agency. Then I started launching software products and using meta ads to scale those products. I've also done e-commerce. I've done affiliate marketing. I've run meta ads in almost every way, shape, and form that you can do it. And the number one hardest thing about running meta ads is actually launching them, right? Basically launching the ads, building the ad campaigns, optimizing them is kind of easy, right? But launching them is the worst experience ever, especially when you're trying to test all these different variables at once. When you have 10 different creatives and 5 different headlines and 20 different audiences, and you're trying to piece all these puzzle pieces together, it's really hard. And so now what AdStellar AI does is it literally does it all for you, and it does it using AI agents. So AdStellar is the first software product that uses AI agents to build the meta ad campaign, everything from the campaign to the ad set to the ad level for you in literally just a couple clicks, okay? So I'm going to quickly walk through how this works. The first thing you do when you log into AdStellar is you go ahead and you just simply connect your meta account. It's really easy. You connect your meta account, then you connect which ad account you want to launch your ads into, and then you basically can go over and look at the AI Insights page, okay? And what this does is this pulls in all of your existing data from those campaigns, and it parses them out into different variables. So you can see all of your creative variables, right? This image has been used in 28 ads. It has an AI score of 8.3. Here's the spend, the results, the cost per result, the purchases, the ROAS, everything. If I want to do a deeper dive into all of these, I can. The other cool thing is it does this for the headlines. It does this for the primary text. It does this for the audiences, right? So you can see the headlines here. So this is my best performing headline. I use it across 78 ads. Okay, I've spent $3,000 on all of these ads combined using this headline. So I know this is my proven winner headline. Okay, same thing with primary text. If I want to see like what interests I've used on ads and which one is performing the best, AdStellar does that, right? So I've used this interest on 58 ads and has an average cost per result of $8. Meanwhile, Shopify interest has a $26 cost per result. So you can see how unbelievably powerful this is. Okay, so all of this gets parsed out into their different variables. Then what we do is you can actually go over to the AI launch, okay? This is the game changer, right? So you select your ad account, the page, you put in your landing page, or you select one that's already been used. You put in a couple other things like your campaign budget and your objective. You select your pixel, the conversion event. And then what essentially AdStellar does is it asks you like, hey, for the AI strategy here, for your audiences, do you want us to test and create new audiences for you, or do you want to use your top performers that are already, proven to work, right? So if we select this, it's using our top performing audiences. For the copy and the creative, let's say, hey, just use our top performing copy and creatives, historical date range, how far back, 90 days. And then you can actually put in custom instructions here too. So I can say, hey, don't use any lookalike audiences, or I want you to test different interests, or in this case, just use all of my proven winners, okay? Then what we do, we click one button, okay? Now what happens is all of these AI agents are going through and creating this campaign for you, okay? The end result of this is going to be a full ad campaign from the campaign to the ad set, to the ad levels, all done for me. I can review it and click publish. It goes right to Meta, okay? Okay, guys, this is what it looks like literally just a couple minutes later when the AI campaign is done. It says it's ready. Here's what it did. It created 12 ad sets, 48 ads for me, and it was built with proven winners, right? So it took 12 proven audiences that have an average cost per acquisition for me of $26, proven copy, proven creatives, and it actually gives you an entire breakdown. You requested use all my proven, best winners. Here's how we did it. Here's how we built the campaign, the targeting, the copy, the creative, everything, the budget allocation, okay? Then what I can do is I can actually just go through each step of the campaign. I can go to the campaign level, change the name if I want. I can go into the ad sets. I can review all of the ad sets. I can come in here and I can click through and I can see, okay, cool. It's using a lookalike audience here. That has worked for me in the past. The age, the location, doesn't look like we have any detailed targeting here. But if I come down, it looks like we have a couple ad sets that are going to be using detailed targeting. It selected all of these interests for me. And guys, you can see the entire thing is created. It created 12 different ad sets using different targeting and all of that. And then if I go to the ad level, the entire ad level is done as well. And it gives you a whole explanation as to how it created the ads. And we can come in here and I can look at the images or videos that it selected, the primary text variants. Everything is done for me, right? Completely. And then I could just go to review and publish. Okay, guys, it's literally this fast. Like, I'm not kidding. It takes less than 5 minutes. Okay, I need to add some URL parameters. That's fine. Publishing 12 ad sets, 4 ads in each, 48 ads total. When I click this button, guys, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. All of them get published right into my Meta Ads Manager automatically, and then I can just launch them, right? So I hope this actually gives you a glimpse into how powerful this is. You're going to be able to launch more ads way, way faster and find winners in a much faster time period as well. The other cool thing is as your data comes into AdStellar, we get all the performance data. So every single day, all this data is coming directly into AdStellar. It updates every single hour. And then what that means is AdStellar, under this winning ads tab, we're actually pushing winners to you. So we're basically showing you on this page like, hey, this ad, this is your proven winner. If you want to launch it again, or if you want to launch it with a different audience, just click add to draft. You can create a new draft. And again, you're off and running in minutes, launching brand new ad campaigns with different variations, right? So there's so much more to AdStellar that I want you guys to explore. You can go ahead and create a free 7-day trial below, and trust me, it's going to be well worth it. If you guys are launching ads for an agency, for e-commerce, for software, for lead generation, it doesn't matter what you're doing, launching Meta Ads is a pain, and I promise you this is going to make it 800 times easier, and your ad results are going to go up a lot because you're going to find proven winners that you haven't before. So once again, my name is Grant. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side.